KODA. Onum KODA.
Yeah, menim KODA. Or a gospel musician.
Based in Takrade.
Or a Tintin Gramo.
Tuntum. Adias here. Andra Yantia Sempa. KODA akanchinego. Andra Yantia Sempa. Na me a chance on the video be a no can say a drobia doctor prescribing man in a droning yet. Mayambo Magana Funti Ninsem be a no can. Mayambo.
Yeah.
We something about us. You are getting a thing, but I know for sure that sulfur is one of the things that we are not supposed to take. So things like brufen and stuff like that, I've known since I was in tech that I'm not supposed to touch brufen. And so I was like, but the people, why they won't kill me or something like that? You get it? Because I'm talking about taking the thing for over 6, getting to 8 months of ingesting this thing on a daily basis. Can you imagine? So we scheduled some form of a review or checkup with the doctor. I went over. I get a little emotional when I talk about this thing. Like, forgive me. So we scheduled a checkup with the doctor, and I told the doctor that, but why am I being given medication that contains sulfur if I'm just a speedy? Because you know that we are not supposed to be taking these things, and you guys are aware about these things. To cut a long story short, all they said was, "Oh, sorry, I'm serious." And then, by being a bit defensive, I don't know, I remember exactly who, but somebody who was part of the medical whole team that was taking care of me said, I also work with school, and so what does the morning saying with that? Why don't you talk about it? Hey, and all of a sudden, it was like some blame shifting was coming into the thing that, hey, I am old enough to know when I'm being given wrong medication. And I said, hey, Simon. So this was my resolve since that day. I will not disrespect nurses or disrespect pharmacists. I will not disrespect doctors. But I can't take your word for it anymore. When I'm given something, I want to Google it myself. I want to find out. When I come and sit in front of you, I will not be quiet. I will talk. I will tell you that, hey, my guy, this is speedy. I pray you're not giving me anything that will harm me. I'm not supposed to be on. And it will sound like, yes, you are being all over the place. You are being too known as
yes. You what prescribe a drawing your money pa? Nipana no me do close to 8 months. No, who's at any of the you are being smart.
You cost somebody's life.
And you see, some of these things, and you might be say, as you see, Debiao, Abena, Ona now, said you, not we are nursing.
Yeah.
This thing, people like you can move it to my mind.
Enlighten you on stuff like that.
Yes.
Thank you for honoring me this big invitation to talk about health. Obianu send me nursing. That when the nurse at the to some honey nurse at the pan, me sure my polish and na kono para, but my mother to some be say, na me grow ho. Nana, when him say, a toda crana, my family sister penny and your faton, no home funny maybe na, your call hospital, your area muho. Baby net, no me more than they said you'll be and passing. Your call your baby, no one am yano. Nurse and a man at the corner complaining yen drew. Na me knew ho. Into me by now, me no night the mawono. Me where not to say, a drew different cry. and I'm catching some man in na and I made no coin I'm coaching much and a draw wope and I'm a call later no my minutes no I'm sema a draw the man messes stand there and then the young no betray or say I no also on the bini want to win and then I say and as I didn't know so kakra wo muntinet ebe to me afano send me na me what nursing background in dear cra and come
sister wrong medication
yes and me what trigger bibi cry nim say or one ade what you say inti se toda so yeso so no when say so yare na course with more draw you trust that
you trust them that is the reason to the man you read about it you take it
because when him say make us say no he will not go to any mere hospital
yes
make us say one of the 4-star hospitals no quite because of penapom didn't now what doctor what chest space now what did stethoscope egu kom now what trade draw sama obi eka say now what say what squad na one kind. How do you even blame the person over something like that?
Yes.
It's your fault. You should be held accountable for whatever you did.
What is so unfortunate.
Now I say the person was on the drug for 8 months.
And it's damage.
What I say? 8 months and son a woman said, "Don't cry." No question on offer. Oko hospital do ya de hospital catch some more drug. No more children you also won't know. Me so make us say, "We na children say me mra na me beto." What I say? What's one no cry na wono sa
edrona amudi man no
na wadro nim no he's not supposed to take it. He's allergic to edrona mo dem ko town pharmacology na kire wo say tipaye para bisa hwe because everybody can take para but obi on man the health system no the person cannot take para obi fa bia bibi cry enya stronger to para how strong it is no may you sure say the hospital that prescribed the medicine for KODA no may his beautiful soul rest in peace. Oh,
yeah.
The person na you nim ho nti enche bia mudi ba beto abontene and you see what you have done. You caused somebody gentleman to die. A great person like that. Oh, we can do better. We can do better, pa. We can do better.
You call about quite if any Fifi. I text him so honestly he also went through similar issue.
Yes.
It's not right to I don't know. Me. I was admitted at the hospital be a baby. Emergency ward. Yeah, me test running we the drips see me so me coffee na as doctor and says all trade do mamma. A drona or trono or funny phone or go. And I all check it be go answer na all tro no there's something hey.
Them say no cry na
oh you no you see unim wejuma on unim ejuma na unim test na lab test na ya run no
complacency o
ye de betu wani ma
bebre ye complacent bebre health workers
ye de betu wani ma unim say oh yare we ni wadro ni
oh minim their course but whoever did this no wa nya de
anyway KODA yankopon fan crazy but KODA ebusuafo mun take a day way up
nana yanko next story asem na ya
aboto me pa abenai
nana
onim nyomtina efe na Aaron Logan
yeah minim no
Aaron Logan ya me na domma ne ne say tumi aka no kani kama pa sometimes you know when a ma warrior na enija be fie pa emema no mo ncheda enso sa warrior so sa but the ma de omo so warrior so pa nti me so ba bia warrior na me so mani ajama sa ni pa no nti Aaron Logan within the weekend no yame na dom which ma ha ko warrior branch kama no ho fe pa ye bompa ye se bibia betumi akoye di ama no Aaron Logan ema me ye sofo nti no me ye so se warrior no mpabo gine mpa warrior no be ye bompa so na warrior no nye ma Aaron Logan nti no ye movie emfi honum na yenko the next story and then yen quick time niko onim Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams
minim no
onim pa
Joe papa
boxing training bi o je no
me hu Joe so akire ho bibi besi ana oso bibi be koso aye ni mana
but training bi o je no
sorry them na omo afie
we are gym I'm sure say be within the house no more gym
because bang we chire
omo gym within the house be a gym more na never pa a training or boxing training. None about 2 kilometers with you.
So for nyame you nya yi chire bia wada ro. Ma yeso ya mo ho. Because they don't fear more boam ho no.
Yeah. Join us on Facebook. Munjani on Facebook. Archbishop Nicholas and Williams. The training all you know. A serious training pa share gloves, boxing for gloves CB. And our high a trainer. Now the real tournaments and the real tournaments
Oh no, Zuma Nelson way.
Yeah, Allah, Papa, Ojo, Allah. Oh, I don't know if Papa. To share Archbishop Pan training poor pa. Charlie, I didn't come up. Allah, Kewa.
Na this you grow it.
And I do also in the metro. Also for meta and also. Yes, that's
name say Joe coffee. Many are just me fee. On time of you. Never. Well, website Pia Babontibium.
Street boy.
She one of the BB Papa, so it's a house on your house.
Yeah, yeah, in fact.
Debbie, oh, coffee. Do that one tea dremano. The fear see me, no, about tea.
I don't know, Archbishop. Training na amafo bisa
me patcho your Facebook mumbra na mumbe hene ma ekoso mumba shadige
Archbishop pa training pa 2 punches pa minim say bia upcoming and ko bi baso dia minim
o ye 2 to 3 months e mu be de o sa fe na o sha nti power nim
but o yo o cha so ko chira
yeah.
But you see, some of these things, you know, is good. You know why?
No.
Because as often be brain na any time any training, and when you stand in a pulpit to preach, energy. Sometimes we also will preach, but not so. And some of these is as an I normally no teachers, you know. I'm a bit of a level in the you know, but you could to Bible. They don't exert too much energy. But when it comes to preachers, those that preach deliverance in Adiana, it comes with a lot of energy.
Exactly.
Exactly. You ought to exercise. And our Archbishop also preaches there or preach more than so far. And to some of these things, I never akomano manu emoja no high boy into no Archbishop in the training no come up say at least or that no so training abra yemon na issue ba ko bi ho na o ka issue bi na o ka issue bi na prophetess and I say Reverend Lucy Natasha Owo Kenya share the same opinion
inti
Adam prophet.
Maybe try me too.
Prophet. So we pick prophet.
Man to me pick DJ Kubo pick
prophet na.
Hey lady who offer.
Got married is the gold digger.
Oh, prophet.
Why? In our generation, many women are not looking for love. They are looking for help, which is a very bad error.
Repeat, please.
Many women are not looking for love. They are looking for help.
There you go.
So they are not in love with your heart. They are in love with your hand. So when they come into a relationship, they just come purposely because of what they can get financially from the relationship. There is nothing wrong with giving to somebody you love. But the problem I have with the gold digger, and this is what I tell women, don't be a gold digger, be a gold carrier. The difference between a gold digger and a gold carrier is this. Because Obina, when we are getting married, I got married 2 years ago. The only thing you should bring to the table should not be a birth certificate. When you are getting married, even as a woman, you should also be able to bring some title deed, logbooks, company, business. You know, we should have a generation of women that.
As a materials mean,
yeah. Okay, I same way. I can be story.
I've lived most of the things I see. I've lived it.
Yes.
Me by more experience.
A man be brain and yes, be your upper will be to worry. No,
what true. I would chere. So, or baby any brady, or baby for my dear or for my dear to say, I want to pan on the buy. They came in your life for a purpose. Until when the purpose is done, they leave.
They leave. And they are in Pendudono so big. Only be on so our enemy main worry be me kwa mano jano.
Well, we were 7 a purpose. Let the person go.
I will be
asanka make be frustrate wa to your time is up.
Oba frustrate we kun. Oh, you go so for na so for and say adwen den dream na assignment odo ba no wie asembie nu wa so for no be ka obetie.
Oba disrespect mu nyina.
Yes. Oh, was you worry be manenko.
So wonder wa maninko.
You could do heaven na yen ko bisa se ho na ware no yen bisa ho. Entinia Reverend Lucy Natasha Ekano no. Ye mani bibre ho no ma. Yes opewunti no be ware wo. E kom na de no opebiedi.
Opebiedi.
Abrantie bi so bisa asem bi.
Last story.
Me last story na me ko. Abrantie bi e bisa asem bi. Asem no bisa no. Robert, fatu sumame. Abrantie na asem no bisa no. Me pese wa okan ya na me wie na me kom baby. Abrantie say
Osei, who gives a man money when he's broke? His other friends. Nena before.
Sir.
Why na man be metika bra woni bi?
How na man bi?
Be maniska. Because one, offer okra so beka se woniska. Two, ontumi nyi bi wo bia ho. 3, sike bi enu be so no because old man was have man gebi.
Because mo ana mo beje.
Nti be maniska.
Emema bre.
Be maniska.
Emema bre pa.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,